What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, man. We are back with another video, and today, man, we got some early heat from the GOAT app. And if you guys have been following along with the live cops with the videos, you probably already know what's inside this package, man. But I want to bring this video for you guys to always show you what I picked up, tell you guys a little bit of backstory on why I picked it up and all of that good stuff. Before we get into it, man, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. We're super close to that 40K. That's the goal before the end of the year. I know we're gonna crush it. I know we're gonna go way past that, but right now it starts with you guys' support. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss any video that drops on the channel, and head over to Instagram. Give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. You guys know I'll follow you back. So go down below, click that link, and head over to IG. And also I need you guys to leave a huge like on this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up for your boy. Let's get this video up right here to 300 likes. That's super easy for the Vintage Squad, man. And very soon, man, I know I've been talking about it on the live streams and a couple of videos. Drip Grip, man, check it out at the bottom. This allows you to rock some of your, your high-end sneakers, some of the sneakers you don't want to really un-DS. These sole protectors allow you to rock your sneakers, keep that value on them. You might have some minor creases in the toe box, but your outsoles are going to stay crispy. I'm going to do like a whole tutorial on how to install these onto your sneakers. I didn't do it on this one, but I have done it on this one. Stay tuned for that video. The sheets look like this right here. Check it out, man. I think this goes up to like a size 14 or 15 or something like that. You see how long this sheet is right here, but these are super clutch, super beneficial. I will link Drip Grip down below in the description box. You guys can go check them out to protect your outsoles on your sneakers, man. So with all that out the way, let's jump right into this unboxing from the GOAT app, man. Let's get it. All right, so if you do not know, man, we was on a live stream trying to cop those Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds on the shock drop. We all knew like a day before, and everybody's like, yo, why they calling the shock drop if everybody knows? But one person, leaks that information, and everybody else pretty much runs along with it. And usually 9 times out of 10 is correct if it's coming from Unbreakable Kicks, you feel me? So he was super beneficial for a lot of people copping on that shock drop, because a lot of people did not know about it. Like I said, I knew about it a whole day before, and I still end up taking the L. But during the live stream, I was like, yo, I gotta cop them. I gotta get them early for the Vintage Squad. Give you guys some early visuals so you guys watch the videos. If you like the videos, you come to it to check out what we caught. And we got these things from the GOAT app. And like I said, I picked up an early pair already. You guys seen the review on feet. You guys seen the unboxing already. But I really want the unboxing pair to announce the giveaway we have coming very, very soon. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You guys know how GOAT app comes, man. Brown box, brown tape on top, nothing special with the GOAT app. But one thing I really do love about the GOAT app is the fact that they ship super fast, for one, and for two, you ain't gonna worry about any fakes or nothing like that. I haven't received no fakes from them. The customer service is awesome in my opinion. I never had an issue with getting in touch with them, never had an issue with my shoe passing like authentication or waiting a super long time to get my sneaker, man. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick. You see the box right here. We got these joints. Again, another pair, and I knew I was gonna want to double up on this shoe right here. It was just a matter of time of when the actual release happened. But San Antonio Soles hooked your boy up with a fresh pair that he hit on the Nike sneakers app for that shock drop. And I was like, yo, if you got size 9, bro, just let me cop from you, because I already know I want to get 2 pairs. And I didn't pay that much over retail for that early sneaker. But one thing I want to say right here is my box is super damaged, bro. So I got a huge, I don't know what this is, like somebody try to poke it or stab it. Check it out right here. That's one thing that's never happened from GOAT app. So I might need to hit them up, give them some pictures. They maybe discount me some money or something. But I've never had this happen to me before with a broken box. So that's one thing. I'm keeping it real with you guys. And I also have like a little dent right here as well. I always love to give you guys some reviews over the GOAT app, let you guys know my experience. But you see the nicks, you see the bruises on top of the box. Nothing too crazy. Let's get into the shoe. Make sure the shoe is all right. Put the top open real quick. Of course, you get your GOAT sticker right here. Check it out. Then you get your GOAT verified card. Each step that it goes through right here, as you can see. And then the tissue paper. You guys know how it comes if you watched the earlier review and on feet. So go ahead and peel these joints out and make sure these joints is all right. Let's make sure they all right. And yeah, man, the things is looking as clean as the other pair, man. Check it out right here. I think, yeah, I got these in a size 8.5. I was like, yo, these look a little bit too small, but 8.5 through 9.5 is usually my size. And bro, here we have it, Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, my second pair. Let's go ahead and get the other pair up on the table real quick, man. Oh, here we go, here we go. We have them right here. Super clean, had to double up. and we finished the double up process. You can see, man, we have 2 pair of Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. Let me know down below how many pairs you're gonna pick up. I know this is a shoe, like one of those OG colorways you feel like you gotta get like multiples of just because you don't wanna mess them up. And I do not blame you. I don't blame you at all. As you can see, we have them, bro. We have them. Man, it's a moment of silence real quick for these beautiful sneakers, man. Yeah, these things are nice. They nice. And one thing I want to say with the pair that I got from the Nike sneakers that was like a minor crease on the toe box. This one has like minor creases as well. The leather actually feels a little bit softer on this pair than that. Maybe I'm just tripping, I'm not too sure. But this is a half size smaller. Check it out, size 8.5 right here. See that OG hang tag, you see everything. If you have not watched the review on feet yet, man, make sure you check it out. I will link it down below so you guys do not miss out on that super clean on feet we did over these joints. Give you guys like 4 or 5 different jeans options. And yeah, man, it's a very, very dope colorway. Had to double up on it, man. Like I said, let me know down below if you plan on doubling up, tripling up, quadrupling up. Let me know something down below in the comment section. So real quick, for you guys who do not know about the GOAT app, I think they've been up for about 3 to 4 years. I've been copying from them, I think since I started YouTube. Super easy process, something similar to StockX, of course. Go in there, click what shoe you want, you can offer and all that good stuff. And one thing I really love about GOAT that StockX does not have, you can cancel your order before the seller confirms the sale, you know what I'm saying? So it's like if you make an impulse buy, you're like, oh, I don't want them right now, you can hurry up and click cancel and then you're good to go. StockX, once you hit that purchase button, it's over, man. So that's one thing I really love about the GOAT app. I definitely want to have to hit them up, ask them what they can do about the damaged boxes that I did receive. It's the first time this has ever happened to me as far as my boxes being damaged and stuff like that. The sneaker is pretty good. Of course, you got your, your quality control issues on the sneaker. But other than that, man, it's the first time that's ever happened to me with there being a problem with anything on the sneaker. So real quick, man, I want to announce that we will be doing an Air Jordan 4 Fire Red giveaway. I'll be putting a picture up over on Instagram with me rocking these sneakers very, very soon. And all you have to do is go over there, double tap the picture, comment down below 3 of your friends, put your size at the bottom as well, and send me proof that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, man. Hopefully this takes us to that 40K mark, so it'll be like a 40K giveaway. So that's really where I want to cap it off. As soon as we hit 40,000 subscribers, we will be giving away a free pair to you, 1 lucky winner. And all we gotta do is hit that 40K, man. Super dope. I want to get back to you guys for showing that support to me, because without you guys, there would be no The Vintage channel, you feel me? So again, thank you so much. More giveaways will be coming soon. Like I said, stay tuned for that post over on Instagram. I'll be announcing the giveaway, and I'll put it back on YouTube as well so you guys can know to go over to IG, tag those 3 friends, prove to me that you subscribe to the channel. You're gonna enter yourself into winning a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. Depending on the volume of people that actually enter the giveaway, I might end up doing 2 pairs. Who knows? It's holiday season coming up and I'm really in the giving mood for the Vintage Squad. So that's pretty much it for the video. Like I said, let me know if you ever had any problems with the GOAT app. Let me know if you had any problems with getting y'all pairs from the Nike sneakers app on the shock drop. Like I said, a couple quality control issues, nothing too crazy. You guys know that's how it's gonna come. But I'm super happy with my purchase overall, minus the little tears in the lid of the box. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. That will be one of the giveaway rules for the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. We might be giving away 2 pairs. Stay tuned for that. That picture will be over on Instagram very, very shortly. Let's get this video up right here to 300 likes, man. That's super easy for you guys. You guys have been really crushing the like button and really supporting the channel. I really do appreciate that. And let me know down below how many pairs of these Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds you're going to cop. I'm already on pair number 2, and like I said, your boy might end up copping 3. I just really love this colorway, and I really love the Air Jordan 4 model. Thank you guys so much for pulling up. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.